Hello guys, welcome back to another channel. It's been a while. It's been a long time. I know it's been like, I don't know, probably months or years or so, but anyways, today it's gonna be there's cars. Anyways, there's cars right there by where I live. Cars pass by, whatnot, and you can hear pretty much anything. I'm gonna go ahead and start. I'm gonna start with doing something simple. I'm not gonna go full on. I'm just gonna did my brows off camera. As you guys can see, I did them. And I did use this Precisely My Brow Pencil, which is this one right here. And this is in the shade number 4. So I don't know what took me so long, but I ended up using this. I don't know, but I've been using this for my brows today. And also I have bought the Soft Glam. The mini one is number 2. As you can know, everybody knows this. It's been like a lovely type of shades, but I like it. I can't complain. Sorry I have one like primer differently from the other. I was just trying to do something, but it just did not work out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started, and I'm gonna go in with incense right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start like right here and then work myself up. So yeah guys, it's been a minute. As you can see, I haven't done my brows in a long time. Haven't had my hair done in a long time. It's been a real deal here. Like with everything going on, despite of everything, I think we are handling pretty differently as far as the whole situation, whatnot. I think it's been real, guys. Like this whole going on and around the world, it's something that we just sit and take back, and we are thankful for, and make us like realize of everything that's going on, and you know, make it seem like, hello, we live once, so we gotta make the best out of it. Whatever you're doing, whatever you're thinking, just go for it. We live once, just do it. Other than that, it's just here and there. As far as for me, I've just been working a lot lately, so there's nothing different in my aspect. I just need to focus more on what I love to do, and stop worrying about what other people think. That's how it is. It's always going to be that way. People are going to say something. People are not going to be so supportive. Some people are. It's just the way of life. So all I'm doing is just dragging this here and then just blending that as well. I did had glitter right here in this other eye just because I was doing a look. But I don't know. We'll see how it turns out, and all you have to do is just blend it. I'm using this Morphe M411 if anybody's interested. I do have a link for it, for Morphe brush. If you are interested, you can always get into my link, and you can always subscribe. You can get like the monthly brushes. That's really awesome because, you know, sometimes you'll pay like $19 just for one brush, and you can pay like $19 and you're gonna get like 5 brushes or 4 brushes in a month. And you're never gonna get the same brush, so you're always gonna get like different brushes. So it's really cool. So I highly recommend for y'all to do that. If you want to start building up your collection, you can also do that as well. I feel like lately I haven't gotten myself so, you know, doll up or full face and glam just because of everything going on. I feel like where are you literally gonna go to? Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, which is called Tempera. This one. So I'm going to go in with Morphe M124. This is the brush. Do that right here and just kind of like I'm doing like a cut crease, but I'm just gonna put it on top of my lid. And for this past days, that's all I've been doing, using this palette, and I'm just like literally just using those two shades. Sometimes I'll go in with orange soda. I haven't tried the mulberry. I think I should have tried that during the winter or fall. So what's everybody's like goals for this year? I have no clue for mine, but I hope yours are way better than mine as far as like setting goals and stuff. I feel like as long as you're like committed to it, you should be fine. You gotta like be consistent in whatever you might be doing, whether it's losing weight, getting fit, staying healthy, all that good stuff. That's all that matters. So I'm gonna go back with incense, and I'm just gonna go ahead and go back in there just to try to blend in whatever I put in here. Just blend in with the shade. Nothing crazy, nothing extravagant. It's just a matter of blending in the two colors, and that's about it. Just marrying them. That's what people say. This has been my favorite ones lately too. This is very more natural. This is in the style Daisy. Amazing brand. I really like this ones. They have a different tons of them of lashes, and you can always use them as well. Okay, you guys, so lashes is on. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face. And for primer, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Versace one. Just a lot more better. It really like makes it more healthier, and it feels a lot more softer. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this one, and that's what I'm gonna be using for today. And comment down below what kind of primers do y'all use. Do you recommend, not recommend? I don't know. I just feel like it gives a lot more hydration to my face, and it feels like not too tacky, but it just gives it that glow. For foundation, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and use this one, which is the Double Wear, the Estee Lauder. This is like the holy grail, the holy mothers of all the foundations, especially if you have oily skin, want to cover all those imperfections. It's just amazing. I highly recommend this one out of all the foundations. I haven't tried a good one yet. I've heard about NARS. I heard about that one. I just haven't had the chance to try it out. But definitely this is one of the best ones of all the foundations that I've tried before. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dab a little bit. So I'm just gonna dab, and I'm just gonna do like a little bit of foundation. I'm not gonna put too much, just because I am gonna test the powder foundation. So we'll see how that one is, if that's a good or no. Or is gonna put some in the forehead. And I don't do the under eye area just because I'm gonna go in with another concealer, and you know it's gonna be more product in there, so I try to stay away from that area as much as I can. So as you can see, I only did like one layer of it, and it's not bad, y'all. It's not bad. You can even do full coverage. You can do like a lot, or you can do like minimal, blend it with your lotion. You can make it into like a CC cream, whatever you wish. Okay, so for concealer, I'm gonna go in with the Tarte Shape Tape, and this is in a light medium. This is what I'm gonna use for concealer under my eyes. So I'm just gonna go in and put a little bit as well. So I'm just dabbing it like in all the little areas where I'm gonna be putting the concealer at. And I'm not just doing so much just because I want to test out the powder. I'm just gonna test out the whole thing, the whole shebang. I mean, have you guys like literally put on full blast of makeup with everything going on? I'm just curious because I feel like I haven't, and I feel like, you know how like you lose certain things and you're just like, I forgot how to do it, or I wonder how it works now. I don't know, it's just me. Next, my concealer. Okay, so now the thing for the most that everybody's waiting, it's for the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Powder Foundation. I got the shade 260, So this is what it looks like. I highly have so many hopes for this foundation, but I feel like, I don't know, it's too tiny compared to regular foundations. I feel like if you look at it, it has a mirror and it has the little Fenty thing in here, which is really cute. It has the logo and the powder. It does come in with this mirror, which is a lot more closer. Of course, it comes in with that sponge, and it's really cute. I like this. It's very pretty, very so Fenty, and I feel like, I don't know how it's gonna be, but I'm really excited. So we're gonna go ahead and test this out. I'm gonna put it on. So I'm gonna use this Morphe E63, which is this I don't know, I feel like it's like for the under eyes, for whatever you want to create it for, and it's this number right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it a little bit, and I'm gonna go ahead and go into my under eye. I'm just gonna use it as a powder foundation. I'm gonna set it. Looks like it matches with my skin. I don't know about you guys, but I heard a lot of reviews on this. It gives it like very flawless. It covers up, and I'm just dabbing it. The forehead, I don't know if you guys can see the forehead, where it's like really shiny, and then it just stops being shiny. Let me know your thoughts of it. Like, are you loving it? Did you have it? So I'm gonna go in with this shade Laguna, and this is from NARS. This is a bronzer, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I heard a lot of people rave about this bronzer. I've never tried this before, guys. I feel like this matte thing, it's really mattifying. Oh my god, I think I love this bronzer. Like in real life, it looks a lot more different. So as you can see, it looks pretty darn good. I feel like it looks flawless. It makes my skin super flawless. Air filter, you name it. It looks super good. So for highlighter, I'm just gonna go ahead and use the Joy, and this is in the Skinny Deep. So I'm just gonna highlight a little bit right about here. I already sprayed my face with from the Morphe, and that's just gonna bring this up a little bit more to the highlight parts of it. So I'm just gonna highlight the areas, and here as well, and here. I think it even covered up like all that little glitter I had left here. So for lips, I have like a little bag that I ended up getting. Once again, I was telling you earlier about the Light Glam, or the Morphe brush, and it's a monthly subscription, and it's called the Light Glam one. And then you can either do like a lot of them. You could do the Morphe brushes, you can do like the lip ones, you can do the eyeshadow. I believe I have an eyeshadow going on. You can do a lot of those right now. I think I'm gonna go in with Honey Bum. So we're gonna go in with this color, Honey Bum. It's more like a nude color, brownish. Oh yes, I love this one. Kind of reminds me of like Brick from Dose of Colors. That's what it reminds me of. I don't know about you guys. So that's what it looks like, this one. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and change my hair, style it, change of clothes, and then I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so I'm back from straightening my hair. I am literally back. So as you guys can see, I finished my look. I didn't do nothing in the bottom. I just left it blank. I just didn't want to do anything. I just left it how it is, and this is what I'm rocking with. So this is what is this about. Only thing I can tell you guys, I'm not gonna test it the full day. I will let you know on my Insta stories or on my Instagram. So if you haven't followed me, go ahead and follow me there. I'll let you know how everything is, how I feel about this. I mean, as far as I can see, literally, it's really flawless. Like, I am shocked. Like, Like, I'm looking at this and it looks so beautiful. Like, I feel so like nice. It looks so flawless. It looks really, really nice. I feel like I don't have like I only put like a little bit of pump as far as foundation wise. I didn't do very much. I just did a very little bit, and the color wise it looks so good. I have like little hair bristles from the brush, but it looks super good. Like, I am liking this. The lip color, I like it. The eyebrow pencil, I'm in love with it. I mean, I loved everything I bought from this forum. And if you can pick yourself one, I know it's like really tiny compared to any other powders, but I really enjoy it. And that is it. Don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, let me know what you guys want to see next, and give it a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell, all that jazz. Make sure you follow me on social media. I really do appreciate you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. It's been a while, so I'm a little rusty, so don't get me or judge me or anything like that. But yes, that's what it keeps looking like. And hello, like, it looks so good. I'm so impressed. Deuce, guys.